Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the Cognizant company. Cognizant is hiring for the GenC programmer trainee, which is an off-campus drive for the batch 2019, 2020 and 2021. Okay, so this is full-time position and application deadline is 30 April 2022. Okay, still till 1 p.m. you can apply. Okay, so last date is 30 April. So your CTC will be, job function is IT related, and your CTC will be 2.52 per lakh per annum. Okay, so job description we will see, demonstrate proficiency in tools related to IT service management and data analytics, monitoring batch, mailbox or ITSM tools or applications, execute batch jobs, verify batch result, log files, create ITSM tickets, then triage incident or service request, resolve tickets using known error database or knowledge management information, then provide data fixes for batch and online, assign tickets to application SMEs or other groups, communicate status of ticket update, shift handover, track the tickets to its closure. All the above tasks to be carried out to ensure there is no SLA breach. Ensure to fully participate in the knowledge transfer sessions, boot camps organized by project teams to understand his or her role or scope of the work in the project. Then continually strive to improve upon the productivity levers. Ensure to gain in-depth knowledge and understanding of the applications in scope through domain trainings, KTs and self-learning. So once you join, then definitely they will provide you the training on the tools, IT service management tools. Ensure to complete all the assigned mandatory skill up domain trainings on time and be compliant to organization and practice levers. Then contribute ideas towards better performance of service delivery in terms of various continuous service improvement, automation and innovation themes. Possesses a strong drive to innovate, experiment with new technology and tools. Display traits of self-discipline and accountability. Okay, so eligibility criteria, 2019, 2020, 2021 pass out batch of BCA, BCS, BISM, BSc in IT, computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, electronics, multimedia courses, electronics, statistics, animation, all these branches are eligible. PG courses are not eligible. Consistent academic record of minimum 50% in 10th, 12th or in diploma, under graduation. All subjects will be taken into consideration. No backlogs are allowed in the current education. Maximum 2 years of gap in education is allowed. Open to Indian nationals, OCA and dual citizenship holders, and flexible to relocate to any location in India, work in any shift or domain. But yeah, they will provide you or give you a chance to select the location as well once you join, during your joining period. So if you are interested, Cognizant, as you all know, that this is very good and MNC company, so please apply for this drive. Don't miss this chance, and click on apply now button to apply for this drive. So enter your email ID here. Let me enter. So please enter your email ID here and click on next. Then after that you need to click on register and apply now button, and please fill all these details. Okay, fill all these details. Once you are done with these details, then fill your contact details, then your current or most recent education, previous education, internship or work experience, profile photo and documents, and once you are all done, then submit. Okay, so please fill all these details and submit, and please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply. And thanks for watching this video.